Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fourth exercise, sixth chapter, that is progressions. What is our first question here is, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved in a form of a GP? So what is meant by GP? Geometric progression. So before going to start our solution, we should know the basics of geometric progression. So what is geometric progression? What is arithmetic progression? So in arithmetic progression, the common difference will be same. The difference will be same for the two terms. What is the successive terms? In arithmetic progression, the common ratio, that is, will be same. So their difference will be going to calculate. Here the term which will the next terms which will going to multiply with the one constant term, that is, we will take it as OR. So it will going to multiply successively for the previous one. So in geometric progression, what is the series here is, so let's going to take first term will be A and second term will be AR, third term will be AR square, AR cube, like that. So this is the sequence. So up to where? Up to AR power n minus 1. So nth term will be, that is, the first term is A, second term is AR. So here that is the case. So first term A1, A2, A3 and so on AN. So these are the terms. So what is the common ratio here? The common ratio here, R will be equal to A2 minus A1, that is A3 minus A2. So the ratio will be same. So this is the case. The ratio will be same, common ratio will be the same if you take two terms division. So it is multiplied, one constant term is multiplied with one constant term is multiplied with the previous one. So first one, salary of Sharmila when her salary is 5 lakh rupees for the first year and expected to receive yearly increase of 10%. So yearly increase is 10%. So now we have to calculate. So what is the terms? Is there in GP or not? So first one, let's going to take Sharmila's salary will be equal to salary 5 lakh rupees. Yes, 5 lakh rupees. Then increment, rate of interest is 10% increment. So first one, what is the salary here? So let's going to take 5 lakh rupees. So what is the 10% increment means? This is A1, 5 lakh. Then what is A2? 5 lakh plus increment 5 lakh. 10% means we have to calculate 10% from the 5 lakhs. So 10% means 10 by 100. Two zeros will going to cancel. So here 5 lakh plus 50,000. So 5 lakh 50,000. 5 lakh 50,000 A2. Then what is A3? So what is A3 here is, let's going to calculate. A3 will be 5 lakh 55,000. So for the second term, what is that? A2 plus, for that increment, so from this increment we have to calculate. So 10% increment from the previous one. So that is 55. So 5 lakh 50,000 into 10 by 100. Why? Because 10% increment. So that is 5 lakh 50,000 plus, what is this? 55,000. So 55,000 means this three zeros will going to add like that. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. Then here 10. Then 1 will be 6. So here what is that? 6 lakh 5,000. So this is the way. So 5,000, 50,000, 50,000, 6 lakh. What is this? 55,000. So this is the case. Now we can calculate A2 by A1. What is the common ratio? That is A2 by A1. So A2 will be equal to, what is that? 55. So 5 lakh 50,000, then 5 lakhs. So how many zeros? 4 zeros. 4 zeros will going to cancel. Then 55 by 50. So what is this? 5 tens are 5 11s are. So 11 by 10 we will get it as 1.1. So 1.1 we got it. Same the case here. Then what is A3 by A1? A2 Is that ratio will be same or not? We have to check it. So 6,05,000 by A2 is 5,50,000. So three zeros will going to cancel. 605 by 550. So 5 1 tens are 5 ones are. Then what is this here? So 5 ones are 5 2 5 twos are. Then 10 5 ones are. So 121 by 11. So 110. So what is the case here? 11 ones are 11. Ones are 11. So what answer we are getting here? So 11 ones are 11. 11 elevens are 11 tens are 11 elevens are 11 by 10. We will get it as 1.1. So here common ratio is same. Now we can say the given, what you can say, the given question is in GP. Yes, it is in GP. So what answer? Yes, it is in GP. So this is the case in JP. Then what is the next one here? Second question. Number of breaks needed to make each step. If the staircase has total 30 steps, bottom step needs to 10 breaks and each successive step needs to 2 breaks less than the previous step. So second one, here they are asking that. So total number of breaks, 30 steps are needed, 100 breaks each successive. So 100 to 20, 2 will be going to decrease. So here this is not multiplied with some constant number. It is decreasing. It is there in AP, not in GP. So second one, what you can say here is, it is in AP, not in GP. So there is no multiplication constant factor. There is no multiplication constant factor. Now what is third one? So here third one is, so one triangle they are given that like this, and this is the way and this is the way. So what is they are asking here is 24 24 24. These are the two successive perimeter of each triangle when the midpoint of sides of an equilateral triangle whose sides is 24 centimeter are joined to form another triangle whose midpoints in turn are joined to form still another triangle. So here these are the midpoints of the sides. So if you join all the midpoints from the given triangle, we will get the another triangle, and inside again we are going to join midpoints of, so again we are joining midpoints, again we are getting triangles. So like that we are getting. So what is the case here is, so we have to find what is the perimeter, successive perimeter. So first equilateral triangle perimeter means, let's going to take here A, B, C, D, E, F. So from midpoint theorem, we have to use midpoint theorem here. So what is the midpoint theorem here? So let's going to take perimeter, first triangle ABC, perimeter, sum of all the sides A plus B plus C. So A is 24, 24, 24. So 12. So 672. So this is the perimeter 1. So let's going to take P1. Then triangle DEF. So what is the perimeter? So actually the side of DE. So from side of DE, so let's going to take DEF. So DE will be equal to, from midpoint theorem we have to know DE will be equal to, if any line joining midpoints of another triangle, so midpoints of any two sides, that line will be parallel to another line, then that length will be off of the length of the third side, off of the length of the third side. DE will be equal to, DE is parallel to, what you can say, DE is parallel to AB, then half of the AB. So equilateral triangle, that condition we should not forget. Equilateral triangles means all the sides will going to equal. So this is the case here. So half of the AB is 24. Then what value? 12. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Same like this only. DE will be equal to, what is that? Small f. So what is the EF? EF will be equal to half of the AC, half of the, this is 12. So this is the case. Then what is EF? DF will be equal to, DF will be equal to, what is that? DF will be equal to half of the BC, that is half of the 24. We will get it as 12. So same, this is the way we are going to decrease half of the things here. So let's going to calculate perimeter. Perimeter will be equal to, so DE plus DF plus EF, 12 plus 12 plus 12, here 36. So this is P2. Then what is P3? So in that of, so sum of all the sides for the third triangle. So third triangle, triangle D3, perimeter will be equal to half of the 12 plus half of the 12. So side lengths, so 12 half of the 12, 6 plus 6 plus 6, so 18. So these are the successive multiplied with some constant factor. So this is the ratio will be equal to, or will be equal to, let's going to take P3 by P2, that is 18 by P2 is 36, 1 by 2. So this is the case. Then what is the R? P2 by P1. So P2 will be equal to 36, 72, 1 by 2. So here constant term is 1 by 2. So here multiplied, successively multiplied as it is there in GP. So what you can say, this is there in GP. Third one is GP. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.